Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView and StockCharts. And with this, I mean I won't tell you which application is better, but I will tell you which application is the best. So the second thing is I made more than 1000 videos about crypto brokers, settings and stuff like that. And I will tell you with my experience which application fits you the best. So if you look right here to TradingView, the main focus there is charting and do market analysis, where on stock market it's more technical analysis and research. So keep that in mind. If you look to best for, and with that I mean TradingView is the best for active traders. And if you look to StockCharts, that is the best for technical analysts. Then if you go to trading tools, TradingView has the industry leading charts. So in my opinion, if you want to do analysis or want to look to the charts, TradingView is the market leading tool and the best in the world, in my opinion. And on StockCharts, you have strong technical scanners. Then if you go to the interface, TradingView is more modern and intuitive, and StockCharts is more traditional. Then if you look right here to fees and trading costs, TradingView has better value, where StockCharts has a higher subscription cost. So this were 5 topics that I need to tell you about those applications. Hopefully you know exactly right now which application you want to use. And if you're asking me, TradingView is just more for charting, alerts and multi-asset analysis, where StockCharts is more for technical screening and market breadth research. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.